Welcome to another video. Today, we'll look at how a Greek named Eratosthenes measured the circumference of the Earth over 2,000 years ago using just a stick in his brain. Nowadays, we can determine the exact circumference of the Earth using satellites orbiting our planet. The Earth's circumference is 40,075 kilometers, though it depends on where you measure it. It's different at the poles compared to the equator. But how did Eratosthenes figure it out so long ago? Eratosthenes had heard that in the city of Syene, south of Alexandria, the sun cast no shadow at noon because it was directly overhead. He wanted to see if the same was true in Alexandria. So, he stuck a stick vertically into the ground and waited until noon to check if it cast a shadow. As you might have guessed, there was indeed a shadow in Alexandria. He measured the angle of the shadow to be approximately 7.2 degrees. It's important to note that Eratosthenes likely already knew the Earth was round, and this experiment further confirmed it. Since sunlight hits the Earth at the same time and at the same angle, but there's a shadow in Alexandria and none in Syene, it must mean the Earth is spherical. And since the angle difference between Syene and Alexandria was about 7.2 degrees, and the Earth's full circumference is 360 degrees, all he needed to do was find the distance between the two cities. To determine this distance, Eratosthenes hired someone to measure it, and they found it to be approximately 5,000 stadia, which converts to about 800 kilometers. Since 7.2 degrees is 1/50th of 360 degrees, he simply multiplied the distance by 50. So, 800 kilometers times 50 equals 40,000 kilometers. As you can see, he was off by only a few kilometers and didn't need any advanced technology to do it. The stadium as a unit of measurement wasn't perfectly standardized, and he assumed the Earth was a perfect sphere, which we now know isn't true. The Earth is slightly flattened at the poles. Additionally, the distance between Syene and Alexandria isn't precisely 800 kilometers. Despite these factors, Eratosthenes was remarkably close to the correct result, demonstrating just how brilliant and ahead of his time he was.